In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to a Google Meet. Whether you're scheduling a meeting for work, planning a virtual hangout with friends, or setting up an online class, Google Meet simplifies these processes through its integration with Google Calendar. First and foremost, head over to the Google Meet website. You can do this by typing meet.google.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll notice a clean interface offering you options such as starting a new meeting or joining an existing one. However, our focus today is on scheduling a meeting which involves a different set of steps. The secret to scheduling and inviting others to a Google Meet lies within another Google application, Google Calendar. So from the Google Meet page, look for the option to schedule in Google Calendar. This link is your gateway to organizing a meeting that can be shared with others. Clicking on it redirects you to Google Calendar, preloading it with a new event page. At this point, you're tasked with filling out the details of your meeting. Start by deciding on a title that succinctly describes your meeting's purpose, then set the date and time it's going to occur. But here's where the magic happens: adding your guests. To invite participants, you'll see a section or a button labeled Add Guests. Clicking on this allows you to input the email addresses of the people you want to join your meeting. As you start typing, Google Calendar smartly suggests contacts from your list, making the process quicker and hassle-free. After adding all your guests, it's crucial not to rush off just yet. This next step is pivotal. Google Calendar offers a detailed view of each invitee you've added, giving you the opportunity to double-check if you've included everyone necessary for the meeting. This overview prevents overlooking someone by mistake, ensuring all relevant parties are kept in the loop. Once satisfied with your guest list, it's time to solidify your plans by hitting Save. This action doesn't send out the invitations just yet, but it does save all the details you've input thus far. Think of it as a safety net, allowing you to make any last-minute changes or additions before the final step. Finally, to dispatch your invitations into the digital world, locate and press the Send button. This action triggers Google Calendar to send out email invitations to all the guests you've listed. They'll receive a notification with the option to accept or decline the meeting alongside all the event details you've entered. Remember, the beauty of Google Meet integrated with Google Calendar is not just in its ability to bring people together virtually, but also in its ease of use and the efficiency it brings to organizing online gatherings of any scale. Whether you're new to Google Meet or a seasoned user, these steps ensure you can invite participants quickly, making your online meetings more accessible and, hopefully, more productive. That wraps up our guide on how to invite people to a Google Meet. Keep exploring, keep connecting, and take advantage of the tools at your disposal to make your online meetings seamless and straightforward.